Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. Every Thursday morning I have a class that I teach online starting at 7 in the morning. What this means is I usually have to set my alarm for about 6 o'clock. The alarm goes off, I rub my eyes, cursing and swearing to myself, and I drag myself out of bed. At the moment, because it's January, this means it's pitch black outside, and because of the English weather, it's usually cold and windy and raining out there, and I'd much rather stay in bed. But I drag myself off to the bathroom, I have a shave, I have a shower, I come downstairs, I make myself a big mug of tea, I come into my little office here, turn on the computer, turn on Zoom, and I'm ready to go. To be honest, getting up this early and being coherent enough to teach at such an ungodly hour of the morning is a killer. If you say that something, a situation for example, is a killer, you mean it's really difficult, it's really hard, it's difficult to deal with or to manage. For example, when I had COVID over the Christmas holidays, the worst part was the fatigue, the exhaustion. The fatigue was a killer. It was very, very difficult to deal with. To give another example, you might have to take an English language exam. Your friend might ask you afterwards, "Hey, how was the exam? Did it go okay?" "Oh, it was a killer. I'm sure I've failed." If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, spread the word, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that you think are a killer.